For the text, we got three tools. As you can see, text, we use it for adding a text or definition, and then we use check spelling in order to check the dictation and also spelling of the definitions, and we can use find or replace for looking for the text and replacing something. However, we got this icon as well, which opens the text type or text settings. Anyway, I get back to Revit and move on. In this part, we got the text, text spelling, and find and replace. However, we got the text type. Watch this, that we can get access to the properties of the text for modifying the text. Anyway, it doesn't make difference. You can open whatever views, ceilings, elevations, or the plan views, and also the 3D views for adding a text freely and independent to anything. But an important point here about the text is that if you want to use the text, you should know that when you want to use text, there is a relation between your operator system and the text. If you are using the Windows 10 or before, you'll have different results comparing to Windows 11. Now there are some times that you have worked on a project in a device that it's the system operator was Windows 10, and then you've added some texts, and after transferring the file into other devices, or you have just updated your operator system, then you'll see some changes upon the texts. That these changes are mostly being applied on wrapping the text and the spaces between them. Or for instance, if you are working with your partners in work sharing and collaborations like this way, you might be using the same version of Revit, for example 2024, but your operator systems are different. 7, 8, 10 or 11, not similar. So in such a case, when you use the texts, you may have different results since you have added the texts with different system operators. Operator systems actually. So I recommend you to use the similar operator systems among your team in order to move everything forward correctly.